This is the Lockpicker 1969, and welcome to my channel. And we've got a mail call. This package is from Steve's Lockpicking. I knew he was sending me some locks that he worked on for me. Let's see here. Oh, got a letter here. Hold on. I know what this is. From watching Chris Capune's video. That is very cool, Steve. Thank you for that. I love that. Put that right there. So I had talked to Steve, and I knew he was doing videos on Unity locks. Just detainers locks, and I knew that he had done some cutaways. And in talking with Chris Capune, I basically got in contact with Steve and I said, hey, I know you've been doing a lot of videos on Unity locks lately. Would you maybe be interested in making a cutaway of a Unity lock? And Steve, of course, took up the challenge and said, of course. And he's done a video on this, but this is just awesome. I can't say enough. This is just very cool. Thank you so much for doing this for me. This is an identical one to this, keyed exactly the same, so I can use this as a guide and then pick this one without being able to see what's inside. So that's very, very cool. Thank you, Steve. Yeah, what else do we have in here? Like another envelope. Oh wow. It's a challenge lock. Cool. Blevco MO311. Cool. Ugly Baby. JG. Alright. Cool. Volps. Sea Glassy. Cool. Pin Up by Albert LaBelle. Wow, that's smooth. Very cool. Well, this goes with Ugly Baby, apparently. There. Oh, okay. There's the key for that. It looks like pinning diagrams, I believe, and some additional shrink wrap tubing for the key. Cool. Thank you for all that. Put that right there. This is number 6, Get Your Kicks with number 6, William Mansell. Awesome. All right. I'm assuming there's pinning diagrams. Keep that all together. Fever Dream. that later. Ah, okay, cool. Reprintable 140. Very cool. Well, thank you, Steve. This is awesome. I'm got some challenge locks I think I'm going to send your way too. Share the fun. Anyways, that's everything. That's awesome. Thank you, Steve. I really appreciate that. I'm gonna get something put together and send off to you. So I think you'll enjoy that as well. So with that, thank you for watching. Appreciate this very much, Steve, and have a great day.